Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be driving through downtown Kingston, and more specifically we're going to take a tour of the oceanfront property on Ocean Drive. Now we are on Port Royal Street, but we're going to turn off onto Ocean Drive very soon so you can see some of the tallest buildings in Jamaica. Now Ocean Drive is prime real estate because it overlooks, or it's right beside, the Kingston Harbor, and it's there you're going to, and it's in downtown Kingston, which is a very busy place in Jamaica. So it's prime real estate, the best real estate you're going to find in downtown Kingston. So we're going to take a tour and show you guys what's going on. So over here now you have the new Digicel head office, and that's another Factories Corporation of Jamaica building. But the Digicel, all these buildings that I showed you, their address is actually on Ocean Boulevard. So we're going to turn off at the stoplight and go onto Ocean Boulevard. So on the left, that parking lot we're looking at is for the Digicel head office. So Digicel had actually bought land in New Kingston to build their head office, and then the government announced a package where you could get certain tax benefits if you moved your head office or built a location in downtown Kingston, and Digicel took advantage of that and built their head office down here. So this is the head office for Jamaica and also the Caribbean. So we are now on Ocean Boulevard, and straight ahead is the Kingston Harbor. So that's the Kingston Harbor on the right. This is the Digicel head office on the left. So I'm going to take a tour of all the buildings now. Straight ahead, that white building is the ROK Hotel. Not right, further down. This building on the left now is the, I'll tell you the correct name now soon. It's 12 Ocean Boulevard. It's Ocean Office Center Building. That's the official name, but it has the UDC in it. It's a commercial building. And then up here now on the left is Ocean Towers, which is a residential building. And these buildings are among the tallest in Jamaica. You might not see it from here, but these are some of the tallest buildings. Okay, now straight ahead is the ROK Hotel. That hotel was recently opened. And before, that building was the Oceana Hotel, but that hotel closed down, and then it was used for the Ministry of Health as their head office, and then now it has been renovated and it's now the ROK Hotel. On the left now is the Jamaica Conference Center, and on the right is a very nice view of the Kingston Harbor. We can pull over here and try and zoom in on the harbor. Oh, there is actually a very popular food place. So we're going to make a U-turn and head back down Ocean Boulevard. So on the right now is the Bank of Jamaica building, and straight ahead that's the Scotia Center, which is the second tallest building in Jamaica. There you go. I was going to make a U-turn right here so that we can go back onto Ocean Boulevard. Okay, so there it is on the left, a very nice restaurant. It's like a mini mall. You have a lot of different restaurants and establishments in there, but it sits under Kingston Harbor. It's Ocean 7. It's a Victoria Pier. They have an ice cream place. Ocean 7 Sky Bar. Very, very popular location. Quite a few restaurants in there as well. Alright, so we're going to turn back around here. Alright, so we're now passing over Orange Street. Alright, so we're going to turn left here now and take a look at the entrance to the ROK Hotel and then go up King Street. So that's the entrance right there on the right. So we're now on King Street. So we're going to take a tour of King Street, but thanks for taking the tour with us at Ocean Boulevard. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.